Hello everyone, this is A. Mani Sharma and you are watching Percentage and its Applications of Class 6 Worksheet 5. This syllabus is of DAV Public Schools. Children, let us see question number 1. Find simple interest on rupees 1300 at the rate of 5% per annum for 146 days. Now, first let us write down what is given. See here, principal is given. Okay, principal is given. Principal is how much? Principal means principal amount is how much? Principal amount is rupees 1300. Rate is 5%. Time is given in days, that is 146 days. So if you convert it in years, you will get 146 by 365 years. Because see here, rate is given percent per annum means per year. So time should be in years. We have converted the time into years and that is 146 by 365. Now children, as you all know, how we shall do this? We shall be solving this using the formula for simple interest. Now SI will be equal to P into R into T divided by 100. What is your principal amount? Your principal amount is 1300. What is your rate? Rate is 5% and your time is 146 by 365 and whole divided by 100. Okay. Now cancel 0, 0. Here you will be cancelling 0, 0. So you are left with 13 into 5 into 146 by 365. Now let's cancel this 5 and 365. If you see, you will come to know that, see here, 5 in the units place. This shows that this is divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and see 5 sevens are 35. 1 left. So 1 and 5 15. So 5 threes are 15. So 5 into 73 will give you 365. So again you see here 146 in the numerator and 73 in the denominator. So if you cancel, you will get 73 ones are 73 and 73 twos are 146. So you are left with 13 and into 2. So 13 multiplied by 2 will give you 26. And what is this 26? This is rupees. So your simple interest on rupees 1300 at the rate of 5% per annum for 146 days is rupees 26. Come on children, now let us see question number 2. See what is given. Find the amount Meena gets on depositing rupees 1500 at 8% per annum for 73 days. Now see here, Meena has deposited rupees 1500. So principal amount P is equal to rupees 1500. Okay. Now at what rate? At 8%. So rate is equal to 8% per annum. See here, per year. For how many days? 73 days. So time is equal to 73 days. But we have to convert it into years. So it will be 73 by 365 years. Just now in the previous question we have seen that 365 has 73 as one of the factor. So you know that 73 into 5 gives you 365. This we have seen in the previous question. So here we can cancel it. This will be 73 ones are 73 and 73 fives are 365. So it is nothing but 1 by 5 years. Okay. Now here you have to find what you have to find. You have to find the amount. So to find the amount, first you have to find simple interest. So simple interest will be equal to P into R into T by 100, isn't it? P into R into T by 100. What is your P here? 1500. R is 8 and T is 1 by 5 and whole divided by 100. So see, cancel 0, 0. In the numerator and denominator, see 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So what is you are getting? 8 threes are 24. So rupees 24. So what is your simple interest here? Simple interest SI is equal to rupees 24. And what is your principal amount? Principal amount is rupees 1500. 100. So when you calculate amount, it will be equal to 1500 plus rupees 24, that is 1524 rupees. So what amount will Meena get? She will be getting rupees 1524 after 73 days at the rate of 8% per annum. Now see question number 3. What amount will Reena get by investing rupees 4500 at 4.5% per annum for a period from September 8th to November 20th of the year 2015. Now children, see here, everything is not clear because see, time is given from 8th September to 20th November. Here we have to calculate the time properly. See here, first of all, let us put what is given. See here, principal amount P is given, that is rupees 4500. So there is no problem here. Rate is how much? 4.5% per annum. So 4.5% per annum means 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2. Convert it into improper fraction. Now calculate time. This is the most important thing and you should learn this. How you will calculate time. See here, this is the year 2015. That means this is not a leap year. Now you have to calculate from September 8th to November 20th. Now see here children, money has been deposited on 8th September and has been withdrawn on 20th of the November. Now see here, means in the month of September only 7 days are missing, that is 1 to 7. Okay, from 8th she will be getting the interest. So how many days are there in September? 30 days are there in the month of September. So in the month of September, how many days we should be taking here? So in the month of September, we shall be getting, see 30 days are September. So 30 minus first 7 days we are not getting because from 8th, on 8th we have deposited. That means we will be taking 8th, the interest on 8th also. So 30th September, in the month of September we have 30 days. So 30 minus 7. So see, 23 days in the month of September. In the month of October, we have how many days? In the month of October, we have 31 days. And in the month of November, see, on 20th, we are taking back our money. That means only 19 days because we will not get the interest of 20th of November. So only 19 days here. So add all these three. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 3, carry 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 3, 5 and 2, 7. So you are getting 73 days. So time will be 73 by 365 years. Now we shall calculate the simple interest and then we shall add it to the principal to get the amount. Now let's calculate simple interest. So simple interest SI will be equal to P into R into T by 100. Now what is your principal amount? 4500. Rate is 9 by 2. See here, you have already taken out 9 by 2 and time is 73 by 365 years divided by 100. Cancel these two zeros with the two zeros in the numerator. Now see here, we have already learned 73 ones are 73 and 73 fives are 365. Again this 5 will get cancelled with 45. 5 nines are 45. So see here children, what you are getting, 9 nines are 81 divided by 2 is 40.5, because see, if you divide 81 by 2, you will simply get 40.5. You divide and see, 40.5 plus 40.5 will give you 81. Because see, if you divide 80 by 2, you will get 40 and then 1 by 2 means 0.5. So here your interest is 40.5. So what will be your amount? Amount will be equal to 4500 plus 40.5. So it will be 4540.5. 4540.5. So Reena will be getting rupees 4540.50 after 73 days. Come on children, let us see question number 4. Find simple interest on rupees 3500 at 4.5% per annum from 15th March to 8th of August 2015. See here children, again time is given from 15th March to 8th August. So we have to calculate it. So first of all, let us write down what is given. See here, principal amount is given. How much? Rupees 3500. Okay. Now time. First of all, write down rate. So rate is equal to 4.5%. So children, if you change it, you will get 9/2%. Now let us calculate time. In the previous question we have calculated, so you will be getting the idea here also. We have deposited the amount on 15th March. That means from in the month of March, we will not take the first 14 days. So how many days do we have in March? In the month of March we have 31 days. So 31 minus 14. So see here, 11 minus 4 is 7, and here you have 2 minus 1. So 17 days in the month of March. Then in the month of April, so 30 days. Okay, in the month of April we have 30 days. Then in the month of May, how many days do we have in May? 31. Okay, so 31 days in May. So March, April, May, then June. You have 30 days. 30 days are September, April, June and November. So see here, 30 days are September, April, June and November. These all have 30 days. Okay. All the rest have 31. So June 30 days. Then comes, because up to August we have to calculate. Then July. July you will be having 31 days. Now in the month of August, you see how you will do. Here you are taking away the amount on 8th of August. So you will not get the interest of 8th. So you will have 7 days here. Now calculate the total. See here, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9 and this 7. 9 and 7 is how much? 16. So you'll get 6 here. So 1 left, 1 and 1 2 and 3, 5 and 3 8 and 3 11 and 3 14. So you are getting 146 days. So what is your time here? 146 days. So 146 days means 146 by 365 years. Now let us clear the board and solve our sum as we used to do in the earlier question. So children, come on, let us put the formula for finding out simple interest. So simple interest SI will be equal to P into R into T by 100. So what is our principal amount here? 3500. Rate is how much? 9/2%. And time is equal to 146 by 365. Whole divided by 100. Now children, see, you can simply cancel these two zeros from the denominator and the zeros from the numerator. Earlier you have already studied that 365 is the has the factor 73 and even 146. Otherwise you can cancel 2 and 146. See here, 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6. So you are getting 73 here, and 73 ones are 73 and 73 fives are 365. Simply you cancel this 5 and this 35. So 5 sevens are 35. Now see here, you are left with this 7 and this 9. So 7 nines are 63. So what you have to calculate? You have to calculate simple interest. So simple interest here is rupees 63 on rupees 3500 at the rate of 4.5% for 146 days. That is from 15th March to 8th of August. So thank you children. We shall meet again with value based question in the next class.